we haven't seen in a while, clouds. We had clouds move in today.
Yeah.
And Kristen, we're still not getting significant snow up on the mountain?
No, I mean, we'll get a good 6 to perhaps 12 inches as we wrap up this work week and head into the weekend, but we really need the snow. In fact, did you hear this? The state of Oregon may lose its fire insurance because we've had 2 severe fire seasons in a row, and with the snowpack looking the way it is, that does not bode well for the upcoming fire season. We're still waiting to hear on that, obviously, and we'll continue to keep you updated, but it's kind of scary news there. And take a look at the numbers. They're scary too. Thankfully, we'll be adding to this, but we need a lot more of this to happen to really get our snow where it should be. Our snow, we're 8% of where we should be for Hood, Sandy, the lower Deschutes Basin. But precip-wise, you can see where we're hurting. It's been in the temperatures. The temperatures have just been too warm, so it hasn't been for lack of rain. Our precip, we're at 95% there, and that's really good. Same thing, same story. You drop down into the Willamette Basin of 9% of where we should be for right now, and then you head across central and east. It's not as bad, but it's still looking rough. So we really need to get the snow going, not just the moisture. And thankfully, it looks like we're going to get some of that going as we wrap up this work week and head into the weekend. As you head into the end of Friday, we're looking at 6 to 12 inches up above 5,000 feet. So looking really good there. Here's what it's looking like as you head into the weekend. We'll get this quick snow, especially Thursday night to early Friday, and then we clear it out. And so if you're a skier, this is really good news because we're going to have sunshine arriving, and we're going to have that fresh snow on the ground. So this weekend should be the weekend to maybe head on up and hit the slopes. As far as what's happening here in Portland and what you can expect over the next couple of days before we clear things out this weekend, we're going to have to deal with the rain. Tonight it stays mainly light, and then the rain picks up on Thursday, the heaviest arriving Friday, Thursday night into Friday, and then the snow, of course, returns to the slopes and even the passes as that snow level really starts to drop. 51 degrees right now. Our high today only 52. That's pretty close to where we should be. Pretty close to normal for this time of the year. Overnight tonight, we'll dip down into the mid-40s, so a lot milder than where we were earlier this week. And we're going to have cloudy skies other than that light rain that'll be around from time to time. As you head out the door tomorrow morning, the commute not looking extremely wet, but we'll have some light rain around at times. We'll start off in the upper 40s, so temperatures not too chilly for us. We get into the afternoon, we top out in the mid-50s, a little bit milder than where it was today, and we'll have rain at times, and it could pick up in intensity as we go into tomorrow evening and tomorrow overnight with lows back down into the 40s. So that goes for Portland. If you're headed to the coast, we're going to have rain at times too, but look, the amount's just not huge for us for tomorrow. A tenth to perhaps a quarter of an inch at most, with highs in the mid-50s, winds stay light, and of course onshore. I-5 temperatures in the mid-50s with some showers at times, and we're not picking up much here either, less than a tenth of an inch, and that's going to be the case for Portland too. Central and eastern Oregon, temperatures top out in the mid-50s to 40s. Out east, we're going to have scattered rain on and off at times with some mountain snow. The snow level east of the Cascades at about 4,000 feet. And then for the Cascades, we're going to have rain and snow. And once you get up to 5,000 feet, that's the snow level tomorrow. We could pick up 1 to 3 inches. And then again, we could pick up more tomorrow night into Friday. For the Gorge, we're going to have showers sometimes, and it'll stay fairly light for tomorrow. It really doesn't pick up until tomorrow night and Friday when we could get in on some of the moderate to occasionally heavy rain. Your 7-day forecast, and don't you love it? The weekend is highlighted there in the middle, and that's when the sun returns. And then, of course, the rain moves back in as we wrap up the weekend and head into next week. So not looking too bad out there.
I would agree.
Yeah, just